videos you're ever filming those videos, you have it and you can turn it.
I could do train videos, and then also if somebody does crazy things on the road. In fact, one of my YouTube videos is from that.
And you swear.
Oh, don't talk about that. That was a naughty word. Is that what I said?
Yeah.
That was big.
And H-E. And H-E double hockey sticks.
Oh. I probably said, what the double H hockey stick, H-E hockey stick, holy S-H-I-T.
Unplug, please.
Already did.
Somebody's sitting on it.
But here, if you go in front, it'll record you.
Really?
Yeah.
My hand.
Yeah, see?
Da, da, da.
Then I could take the little memory card out and stick it on my computer.
Wait, tell me if you can see me.
Oh, I'll tell you. Yeah, I see you. I see you. I'm going to have to save that video. Oh, watch out for that garbage can. I don't want you to get hurt. I don't know. I should put that up on YouTube.
Really? How do I watch it?
You can't watch it from here. At least I don't think you can. But, so if I, let's see, well, it did record. So if I